Hey guys, welcome to another episode about RFID and RC522 module. So this in front of you, it's code from our previous episode. And with this code we dealt with one really dangerous process, and that is messing with access bits. Today we are going to cover one also dangerous process, and that is change of keys. And I'm just going to mention that if you don't absolutely need to do something like this, and if you don't know exactly what you are doing, then don't, because easily you can turn your card useless. And if you have not been following this mini series of tutorials up to now, please watch at least few episodes in order to jump into it. And first thing that I'm going to show you for this episode is actual content of my card. So as you see, we have custom content in our block 4. So in one of my previous episodes I showed you how to write this custom content, and you also know that this block number 7, it's what is called trailer block. And you know that first 6 bytes of trailer block, it's key A. Then we have 3 bytes of access bits. Then 1 byte that could be used for user data. And at the end we have 6 bytes for key B. And in order to read content from our block 4, we can authenticate on block 7 by using key A or key B, doesn't matter. So what I want to do now, I want to change content of key B, then I want to use that new key B to authenticate in order to read content from block 4. So let's get to it. Okay, I'm going to use this very same content from our previous episode. In trailer buffer, we have entire content for our block number 7. So I'm just going to change bytes for key B and into something like AA. And we are going to do that authenticated with key A on block 7. So I'm just going to build this code. I'm going to upload it. Alright, now I'm going to open my serial monitor, restart my microcontroller, and let's see what we are going to get now. Okay, let's look our block number 7, trailer block for sector number 1. Now you can see that key B for this sector, it's 6 times AA. And now in order to authenticate with key B, first I'm going to change content of key B to AA. And then we are going to authenticate with key B on block 7. And we don't need this piece of code for now. I'm going to comment all of this. And now I'm just going to read. I'm going to edit this code. So I'm going to read from block 4, but we need to create buffer. So let's go with byte length first. So we are reading 18 bytes, and now we have byte buffer len elements, then memset for buffer content 0 hex and 18 times. All right, and now I'm going to change this into buffer address of len, and we are going to change this message into reading error. So now I'm going to print out this content. First one empty line, now we need for loop. I less than 16, I plus plus, serial dot print. We are going to print buffer of I in form of hex, and just another new line. So now what we are going to do, we are going to authenticate with our key B on block 7, and we are going to use that kind of authentication in order to read content from block number 4. All right, build this code, upload it. I'm going to open my serial monitor, restart my microcontroller, and I'm going to press cart to my reader. Alright, we read content from our block 4 without any problem. Let's try once again. It works. So now if you want to revert values of your keys to previous state, I'm going to use this very same code. Just Ctrl Z for all of this. Alright, now I'm going to use key A. I'm going to change this for key B back to FF, and this content back to FF. Everything else is the same. Alright, build it, upload, and let's see the result. Okay, I'm getting some junk. We need to press it. No, we cannot read anything right now. That's usual problem with serial monitor. I'm going to restart serial monitor once again. Alright, we are good to go. So if you get junk like I did, you don't have to worry. Just restart your serial monitor and restart your microcontroller. You are good to go. And now I'm going to press my card. Okay, let's see what we have in our block 7. And as you can see, content for our key B is back to original. So guys, that's all for this episode. I hope that you learned something new and something interesting. So please like, subscribe, and see ya!